Hello, friends. In the last few decades, China's unprecedented economic rise has astonished the entire world. But have you ever thought, from technology to daily household items, how does China supply products to the global market at such cheap prices? Many of us know why Chinese products, despite being cheap, are not durable. However, do you know that China comes at the very top in controlling the huge global market of cheap and counterfeit products? Today, in this special episode of Global News Network, we will learn some astonishing and strange facts about China that will leave you wide-eyed. Welcome to another thrilling episode of Global News Network. In our daily life, we use some Chinese product or another, but hearing the stories behind making these will send shivers down your spine. Chinese factories are extremely adept at using discarded plastic and recycled materials to manufacture cheap electronic goods or children's toys. Making any modern gadget on a low budget is like child's play to them, though whether the product's lifespan lasts until it reaches your hands remains a doubt. Not just electronic gadgets, China is also notorious worldwide for its bizarre food habits. It is said that in China, any four-legged creature except tables and chairs can end up on a dinner plate. Take the town of Dongyang in Zhejiang Province, China. There is a centuries-old strange tradition of boiling eggs in young boys' urine. Locals believe that eating these eggs makes waist and joint pain disappear in an instant. It doesn't end there. Cockroaches, rats, and even crocodiles are found on their food menu. Every year, the controversial Dog Meat Festival is held in Yulin City of Guangxi Region, China. Besides, in the night markets of Beijing, stall vendors sell strange street foods made with sheep's private parts or rooster testicles. There are also various strange matters in China's society and legal system. At one time, rich and influential people in China used to hire someone else to serve their jail sentences, which created extreme controversy worldwide. On the other hand, China single-handedly rules the international adult products market. They rank first on the top list of sex toy sales worldwide. China is a strange country in technology and population as well. The total number of active mobile phone users in China is several times higher than the total population of the entire United States. Yet there is strict surveillance over them regarding internet usage. Facebook and X, or formerly Twitter, have been completely banned in the country since 2009. A unique proof of how massive China's road system is was seen in 2010 when an extraordinary traffic jam, nearly 100 kilometers long, occurred on the Shanghai-Beijing highway, lasting continuously for 12 days. You will be surprised to hear that China's famous Hong Kong Polytechnic University offers a higher degree in underwear or bra designing under its fashion and textile department. China-based companies operate large production factories and their own research labs for world-famous brands like Victoria's Secret. Due to massive industrialization, air pollution in China once took a severe turn, and various rumors about fake honey or adulterated food have similarly made China's image controversial around the world. So friends, there are thousands of such strange and chilling facts about China that cannot be finished in one sitting. Therefore, see you in the next episode with another thrilling event. Until then, stay well, stay healthy. Thank you.